versus SEC lawsuit. And there is growing speculation that is, I think, hindering the XRP price right now. We're going to talk a little bit about that. Now, overall, the market is not cooperating with us either. XRP is kind of stuck. It's pretty range bound right now. We'll take a look at the price. We'll take a look at some of the levels that I'm looking to accumulate, whether it's a short-term swing trade or even a long-term play here. I think right now with XRP, because it's so non-volatile, it's a really interesting opportunity, I think, for a swing trade or a long-term play. And I'll show you why as we get into this video. But XRP right now, if we take a look at the price, XRP's down a little bit, about 1% here today. We also are down about 3% in the last 7 days and about 7.5% in the last month. So we slowly but surely have been coming down since we topped out at around 61 cents. We're sitting just over 53 cents right now. The overall market had a few green days. Bitcoin's holding steady, actually. A lot of people expecting Bitcoin to take another drop, one more spill before we get into the month of October, which is usually historically a great month for crypto. September, not so much. September's pretty rocky. Actually, on average, since 2009, the worst month for Bitcoin and crypto. But so far this month, it's been kind of somewhere in the middle. We'll see if we get that final drop. If we do, altcoins will come down with it. And I think XRP could come down to an even juicier price range than where we are right now. And I'll show you guys kind of what I'm talking about here. So here's basically what I'm saying. I wouldn't go all in right now. DCA is the way right now. If you look back into August 5th, we went down to about 43 cents. You can see here we wicked down to about 43 cents. We could come down into the 40-cent range pretty easily, maybe even break 40 cents. If Bitcoin, let's say, came down to 49,000, 48,000, maybe even 45,000, because we have a really, really strong support level, multi-year support level at 45,000. If that happens, look for XRP to come down below 40 cents. This is where I will load up, okay? XRP Army, this is where you make your bread. You make your bread in the red. And this is how you do it, right? So many people FOMO into the green candles. It's the exact opposite. It's reverse psychology. You've got to buy with conviction on red days. So far, we're kind of hanging in the balance. We'll see where we go. Now, coming back to the SEC appeal and the speculation that is growing here, there's a lot of rumors on the SEC versus Ripple appeal that continues to, I think, put a cap on XRP's gains with potential rulings impacting price trends. Now, former SEC attorney Mark Fagel has commented recently on the possible SEC appeal strategies, leaving XRP traders and the XRP army in suspense. So if we take a look at kind of some of the things he said here, this is a quote from Fagel. He said, "The SEC could certainly raise the issue on appeal, but as a technical matter, they are appealing the claim they lost below, i.e. the argument that programmatic, easy for me to say, sales violated the law. In assessing that, the Court of Appeals could conclude." So remember, we're not talking about the retail side here of crypto. We're talking about the institutional side or institutional sales of XRP. He also added this. Now, could the SEC try to get the Court of Appeals to address that part of the opinion? Sure, they could, but it's not essential. And the Second Circuit is unlikely to take on the question. It says, "My understanding is that whether XRP in itself is a security or not doesn't matter. How it is sold can make it a security, including programmatic sales." So in a way, it would be consistent with the SEC's approach that they appeal XRP's programmatic sales. Fagel agreed with all of what was said here. And the SEC versus Ripple have until early October, again, to file an appeal. And an appeal against programmatic sales of XRP ruling could obviously impact XRP. So we're going to continue to watch this. And look right here, XRP may drop to 40 cents. They're even looking at it on a technical standpoint. I'm very much in line with this. If this happens, guys, I'm a huge, huge buyer of XRP. Margex, great place to trade XRP. Big affiliate of mine. Links down below if you're interested. If you sign up today, your first trade, you're going to get 21% off. It's a great place to go long on XRP, especially if we get a dip. So go ahead up and sign over there. We got a free Caspa airdrop going on right now over there too. You're going to get some free tokens when you make some trades, and we'll see what happens here. more on this. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. It's totally free to do that. And hit the like button on your way out. And we shall see you in the next one. See ya.